Welcome to our daily meditation space to open the mind to financial prosperity. Today, we'll explore how an open mind can be the key to unlocking abundance in your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our Wealth and Prosperity channel for more inspiring content. Let's start. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and take deep breaths. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling your body with vital energy. As you exhale, let go of all worries, tensions, and negative thoughts. Now, focus on your mind. Visualize it as a calm and clear lake. In this lake, let the waters represent your current mindset regarding money and prosperity. Visualize the lake's waters opening up, expanding, becoming broader and deeper. This is your open mind, ready to receive new ideas and opportunities. As your mind opens, imagine gold coins gently falling onto the lake's surface. These coins represent financial prosperity flowing into your life. Feel the positive energy filling your mind and body. Feel worthy of this abundance, as prosperity is the natural result of an open and receptive mind. Smile, for you are on the path to financial prosperity. Remember that an open mind is an endless source of wealth. Keep breathing deeply for a few more moments. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining us in this meditation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Wealth and Prosperity channel for more inspiring content. Always remember that an open mind is the path to financial prosperity. Continue to practice this meditation daily to maintain a positive and open mindset towards wealth.